A major problem prevailing in the society is that people jump red and yellow lights, and even if they do stop, they stop over the zebra crossing. This causes havoc amongst the pedestrians as well as the drivers. The police officers are sometimes not able to cut the challan accurately.
For this problem, we have come up with a solution, Lazer, which is basically a laser which will be placed on both the sides of road on the footpaths over the white line. On one side it will be the sensor and on the other side it will be the laser pointer.
When the light turns red or yellow, the laser will turn on and the laser pointer will point directly at the sensor, completing the circuit. If a vehicle crosses the laser line, then the circuit breaks and this sends a signal to the cameras, in our case the sound alarm.
In reality, instead of the sharp sound alarm, the CCTV cameras, which will already be present on the traffic lights, will click pictures of the vehicle. These pictures will be verified by the officials and then a challan will be sent to the right person. Also, we will be putting up signboards for the pedestrians.
The total price of one set of laser will be around 2000 maximum. We can promote our product by putting up banners and pamphlets using signboards, newspapers and social media to spread it further.
As for the scalability part, we have these points in mind. Implementation can be expanded to include all traffic lights, automated filtration of pictures taken, harder metal can be used to build the outer structure of the laser to prevent any damages, automated system can be set up to send the challans, mapping of the current address of the owner of the vehicle with the help of FASTag and Aadhaar number. Thermostat sensors can be added to recognize if a human crosses the laser.
So, our project Lazer will help the police officers in keeping track of all the challans and issuing them efficiently. Lazer will also help in providing more space to the pedestrians to cross the roads. To sum it all up, our project will contribute in road safety and will reduce the burden on the traffic policemen.